Want to mine Bitcoin without buying noisy, power-hungry rigs? That's cloud mining. You rent hashrate from a provider, they run the hardware, and you receive a share of the coins mined, minus electricity and maintenance fees. Here's how it works. Pick a coin and contract length, pay for the hash rate, and the platform credits rewards to your account on a schedule they set. Why people try it? No hardware to buy, no heat, no noise, almost no setup. You're in fast. However, there are no guarantees. Prices swing, difficulty rises, and fees bite. Some contracts lock you in, and some providers can't be trusted. Before you pay, verify and make sure real-time hash rate and wallet proofs, transparent price per terahash and all fees, payout frequency and minimums, early exit rules, and that you can withdraw to your own wallet. Cloud mining gives you exposure without the hardware headache, but it carries market and counterparty risk. Treat it like a speculative product and only risk what you can afford to lose.